Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add analogs to digital cards and how to configure. Let's start the video. First of all, click projects and new any projects and assigns your CPUs series and types. This is a default settings like R04. Simply clicks. Okay, simply click OK. Just wait. Simply click OK. Module level registrings. Okay, module level is configured. Simply click module configuration. I need to configure main base racks and CPU also supply modules. Click and this is your programs settings module configurations window and click views docking window element selections, double clicks, go to main base and simply here select your main base and simply drag and drop your CPU. And our new want to change power supply. The power supply and main CPU is configured. Click parameters, click to fix. Yes. And 04 CPU configured, and now want to click rebuild all functions for checking any diagnostic any errors. I have no errors. Now I'm going to add any analog digital converters for analog signals. Here simply click module informations and click add new modules. This is module types. In module types you put in analog input signals and simply this is your R60AD4 means 4 channels and Q 8 channels also have. Just simply click set OK and OK. Just wait. Your analog input signals analog input modules has been configured. Convert and rebuild all. Simply click OK. This is input address starting from the 00. When you click module informations and module parameter list, okay, close. Click right click and click to register 28% modules monitors. Here you can see modules, put output addresses and status like module ready x0 and either current flag xf, warning output signals x8. So here I'm going to add simply clicks R60AD4 and this is your 4-channel settings. You have to set based on your the requirement. This is the default setting, like first 420 milliampere, second also, third, fourth also. Already selected for 220 milliamperes. If it is okay, then go ahead, and if you need offset again, then you have to change, otherwise leave it. Samplings, time average, if you can select your based on your recording, but this is sampling processing is okay. AD conversion is also enables. No need to change anything. If you want to add scaling functions inside card settings, then you can enables, and here you have to enter like highest value, like 32,000, and same for the another channels, and third, fourth, and this is the duplicate enables and disable settings. No need to change anything. Simply click refresh settings, and the module level is also selected. Here you have to select device settings. Simply click device, and here you have to put the any address where you want to read the current values. This is the digital output value. Simply here you enter any buffer address like D40. This is our the default address, D46. That's it. And if you want to read the any either codes of signals related and channels related, then here you put your buffer address also like T20. Simply click check no errors. Simply click, and here you can create your logic like SM400s, and when you enter control D X0, you can check your modules related inputs signals status. X0 module ready, X module ready. Here you can and for the modules reset, like even if you have any signals, error signals, then how to reset. Error clear request viceroy off. Like here you can any delay timings for the resets. When you're getting any errors from the modules, then this after this timings the error signals automatically will be resets. No need to reset signals you have applied. Thank you guys. And if you and here like use move instructions and D4, This is your first distance values. This is your second channel's input values. This is your third channel's analog value. And this is your fourth analog channel values.